Sir, over the weekend, the president also mentioned or promised to do something about traffic along EDSA, and he mentioned na maghintay lang daw, and pretty soon it's going to be a 5-minute travel from Makati to Cubao. What exactly is the president planning, or how will he do this? Because a lot of commuters are questioning that promise na parang sinasabi nila that's impossible.
Surprise. What? Surprise. He has something on his sleeves. Yes.
Sir, he said that buti na lang pumunta siya ng China. So, in China daw, sir, yung tumulong eh. Can you give us more details about that?
Tatanungin ko mamaya si Presidente para I can elaborate it tomorrow. I'll ask him.
Pero
I'll ask him tonight.
Pero this project has been underway since before, or?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Pero you said he has something up his sleeves. So
Siguro bakit siya magsasabi na it will be a 5-minute travel?